name is Kyle.
So today, we're gonna bake a cake! Huwag ka mag-alala dahil tutulungan kita dyan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya tara! Wow!
Oh my God.
Happy birthday! You! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you po! Make a wish!
Ayan, may wish na.
Yay! Thank you so much po! Wala, na-surprise ako. Nagulat naman ako. My God! Okay guys, as we can see, nagsuot na po kami ng apron. So, ang gagawin kong cake is mermaid cake. So guys, ang gagawin namin cake is La Bien Rose Cake.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bakely. I'm Chef Andre. Together with me is Miss Riva, Miss Erica, and also all the staff here. Welcome to Bakely as Mason. We also have Chef Faith here to help you. Okay, so your ingredients and also your tools is already prepared. Then we also have your directions inside your iPad, and all you have to do is follow the directions carefully. Okay, but if you have any question, you can ask any of the staff.
So, ito yung mga ingredients. Sabihin mo yung ingredients, Kyle. Ano meron tayo dito?
Butter, egg, this milk, this is
Salt.
Salt, right? This is ube,
Sugar, baking powder,
and flour.
And yung mga tools na gagamitin natin is mixing bowl, spatula, sifter, and baking pan. Sundan na lang natin. Okay guys, so gagawin is mermaid at hagalaga. Ganun yun. Ganyan. Yan. Para maging pino yung ating flour. And then,
Grabe ka na, master.
parang pula.
Oo, ang bilis. Ba't ang bilis mo? Ha? Flour and baking powder together.
Save mo na lang din sir yung
Ube halaya.
Lalagyan na natin guys sa oven. Ibibake na natin tong cake batter. Okay, maghahantay tayo ng 25 minutes and habang hinahantay natin yung 25 minutes, gagawa na tayo ng icing guys for our cake. So ayan na guys, nagmimix na kami ng frosting. So ayan na guys yung frosting and icing natin. Ito na guys yung ating pink frosting. Yeah.
Ilang pure ba yan?
Dalawa.
Kalo ko titikman mo. Ilo sa kanya eh.
So guys, kukuha ko ng piping bag. Saka glass cup.
Uy, ang tagal eh. Yan. Pabawi oh.
Ay, ano ba yan? Dito ako na.
Nanayin ka na? Sige. Magaling ka na. Parang music lang yan. Nag-add po kami ng more food coloring na purple para po mas maging purple. Kasi kanina po sobrang blue instead of purple.
Oh my God!
Kaya yun, parang ube na talaga siya.
So, eto na guys yung cake namin. Decorating time! Ay, ube yan! Okay guys, taste test sa aming cake.
Yung sunog na part.
Atigit sa lahat, sana masarap.
Sarap pa. Okay.
Masarap. Ito ang kapal.
Meanwhile.
Meron ding white na edible pearls. Lagyan natin. Easy peasy! Time to decorate! Ikaw na.
Sure ka?
Kaya mo yun.
Medyo kabado ako sa part na to. Ito lang, dahan-dahan ko na ba?
patapos na namin gawin yung cake na Lavien Rose Cake. Kamusta naman? Experience, Kyle?
Ang hirap pala mag-bake pero enjoying naman.
Meanwhile.
Super nag-enjoy ako and the process and all of that. And ang sasabi ko, na-achieve ko yung gusto kong cake. Tignan niyo naman guys, so ang ganda.
Ay? Ayoko na. Nagpili na tayo.
Last step. Patong lang.
Tapos dumiretso no?
Yay! Done na. So guys, tapos na yung cake namin. Lavien Rose Cake. So kayo na lang po mag-judge kung na-achieve ba talaga namin yung Lavien Rose Cake. Ayan.
Yung new name is Galactic Glamour Cake.
New variant daw ng cake. From this to this. Yan. Sa food coloring to ni Kyle.
So, can you tell us your experience sa beauty?
Ang naging experience ko ng baking here, super fun and nag-enjoy ako kasi I love baking po.
It's actually my first time so I get it that it's super enjoyable both to bake considering it's my first time. Tapos, and I realized the hard work that makers do.
So, can I ask, will you recommend baking to other people?
Yes po.
What about you?
Yes po, very recommendable po to if you want to learn baking talaga or just learn it as a hobby. Parang it's very useful.